Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an experiment to see if I can make my hair grow 1 inch overnight. Stay tuned because the results might shock you. So I washed my hair and it's air dried, so I'm starting off with perfectly clean hair. So I'm going to measure my hair beforehand so I know how long it is. I just use a Sharpie, and to me it barely hits the Sharpie, but I did measure it at the absolute longest point because I really do want to see if this is going to work or not. To do this, you need a tablespoon, a bowl, 2 eggs, coconut oil, and olive oil. The first step calls for 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You just pour those in there and then add the 2 eggs and beat them together along with the olive oil to create a little protein mixture. And as you can see, I'm drenching my hair in the mixture and putting it all over my hair. Warning, this is definitely a messy situation. That's why I have on a towel, but it also got all over the floor and your hands get sticky, so just FYI. But I'm doing this for y'all, so it's all worth it. Just make sure that you get it all in your hair and you get it in the roots and everywhere because you want it to really penetrate the hair shaft to make this work. Put on a plastic cap and let it sit for an hour. Rinse the egg mixture out. Take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, melt it, and apply it to your freshly rinsed hair. Apply the coconut oil all over your hair, and at this point you want to totally drench your hair in the coconut oil. I mean, I got it down good to the last drop of all this coconut oil. And you want to give yourself a little mini head massage. This head massage is going to help increase the circulation, which stimulates hair growth. Cover with the cap. This time I covered with 2 because the coconut oil gets super runny and greasy and messy. And leave that in overnight. So I woke up the next morning, rinsed out the coconut oil, and it is time for the big reveal. Was all this worth it, and does this actually work? We're about to find out. So when I recorded this, it felt like it didn't work, but looking at the playback, it looks like it may have actually worked. I tried it a few different times, brushing my hair out, letting it dry a little bit more, and using more hair just to see if it really worked. And it does look like it elongated my hair strands. I also zoomed in so you guys could see. It actually freaking worked. I can't believe this. So that's my results for the overnight growth hair challenge. I really just want to say that there's no way your hair can grow out of your head 1 inch in one night. So my theory is that it has to be something with the protein strengthening your hair and elongating your strands that makes this work. But I don't know. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.